Hi, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to show you how I have reorganized this white cart to be a command center for my home. Okay, so in my house I have two areas that have been sort of functioning as command centers. There's this one that's on my counter, which is in a little box. That works pretty well for the most part, except you can see here there's a lot of papers that seem to pile up outside of it when it gets full. Oh, and I just noticed I left out this little container here, which is for my steam mop, so I'm going to put that away. This area is really driving me nuts. I cannot seem to get a command center that works. I also have this cart, and I really like this cart a lot. I got it from Ballard Designs, many years ago. If they still have them, I will put a link down below. I'm not sponsored or anything. I just am going to do that in case you want to look into it. But it's not really functioning. Before I went somewhat paperless, I used to keep my monthly bills in that bottom drawer down there, and then office supplies in these two other drawers. But my younger daughter, who is in fashion design school, has sort of taken it over with some of her, what do you call these? Drawing pads and things. And but these are ones she doesn't use that often. So I am actually going to move these larger objects and put them in another location closer to where she actually does her drawing when she's home on the weekend. And then I am going to repurpose this and take the folders and things that are in this caddy that's on the counter here and put them in this top area of the cart right here. And so I am going to start working on that, and we'll be back shortly. Here's the end of my counter now that I've removed the cubby that I was using as one of the two command centers that I had set up. All that I have left now is a paper towel holder, a knife block, a paper napkin holder, and this bowl of Meyer lemons that I just picked from a tree in my garden. And as I scan around my kitchen, then you come to the cart that I've repurposed or reorganized so that it has most of the things that were in the portable command center all in one spot. It's very convenient to the kitchen, and hopefully I'll be able to maintain this a little better than I was before. It just wasn't functioning with having this cart and that separate command center. I'd originally set up that one on the counter because this one kept getting messed up, but now that it's organized a little better, I think it'll work well. So here is my address box. It's still here. I still have my Orbi, the pens and pencils boxes, scissors, my thank you cards. Here's the business card holder, the rewards card holder. Here's my idea book. And then back here I have the folders that I showed you set up. And then here's my what's going to be my home management binder. I haven't set it up exactly how I want it. There's some things in there already, but if you'd like to see a tour of my home management binder once it's done, please leave me a comment down below. I'm trying to point into the frame. And let me know that you'd like to see it. Thank you for tuning in today. Pam here again from Creative Homescaping, and I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button down below and also clicking the bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye-bye.